Today what we're doing is I'm going to show you how we review the batteries. So we got 4 sets of batteries here. The first ones are Eneloops from Sanyo. Second one is GP Recyko. The third one are Uniross Hybrios, and the fourth one are E8GE. Okay, so we purposely bought all sets of these batteries so that we can pit them against each other. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be using this Canon. Okay, it's a flash Speedlite 550EX. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a set of batteries that are fully recharged. For this test, I'm going to use the Recyko Plus. Okay, they are from GP, and I'm going to load them in like this. Okay, next we're going to close it up like so, and I'm going to set the flash setting to the maximum. Okay, so the exposure will be +3, as you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to set it up. I'm going to mount it onto the camera. It's going to be pretty direct. Okay, and the camera is here. This is a Canon 5D. Okay, just let me set it in. Okay, I'm going to lock it as well. Okay, it's nice and sturdy now. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is please make sure here that the USB cable is connected to the camera, and over here we have the USB cable connected to the computer as well, and what we're using is the EOS 5D Utility, okay, whereby we can then get it to make a certain number of shots continuously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the timer shooting, and I'm going to set it to a maximum of 1,500 shots. Okay, it should wear out the battery by then, as well as the delay setting will be 5 seconds per shot. Okay, and what we do is going to press start now, and it will start shooting. Okay, so after 5 seconds, it will take a shot. It will continuously take shots until the battery runs out, or when 1,500 shots have been taken. This is a good example of a high drain application for the batteries. Okay, if you can come back here. Notice that what it will do is it will then create every shot. Okay, the picture of it will be dumped onto the hard disk. Okay, and when we have a good picture, a very bright one, it means that the flash has fired. And if we have a very bad exposure on the image, it means that the flash did not fire at all. So now once the battery has been diminished, what you will find is the Canon 5D won't be taking any more shots, okay? And the flash also won't be triggering anymore. And what I'll do now is I will remove the flash. Now you can see on the flash here is totally depleted, so you know it's on, but there are no more LCD display. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove them. Now during testing, the batteries actually become very hot, so let's just see the deformity. Okay. For the GP Recycos, you can see that the housing here is split already. So what happens is that I think the heat has caused this problem to occur, and we also notice that GP Recycos does not give a lot of shots compared to the other batteries. Okay, this one looks alright still, so this battery is okay, and this one is okay as well. So out of 2 batteries on the Recycos, there are problems. Now for the rest of the batteries here, their housings are all still alright. So we have done testings with all of these, and I want to show you all the results that we've got now. These are the GP Recyko results, and from about here to, I will just cycle it down to about here, which is about let me see the number of shots that we get. 173 items here. Okay, so the battery works alright until 173 items, whereby the first blank shot comes into play. Okay, and then this is where the battery starts to go downhill. As we can see, there are certain number of shots which are okay, and then there's a bad one occurring, and then there are bad ones coming in over here as well. So as I scroll down, you can see more and more of these black shots, and when these black shots occur, it means that the battery is starting to lose power and can't keep up. Okay, so when do we conclude that the test has been, I would say, the batteries are depleted, is when we see there are more black shots rather than the ones that are filled. And here, these shots are significantly dimmer than the ones that you see up here. So it means that the battery's power has diminished as well. So what we do is we tally up how many shots that occur when the battery is dim as the poor, okay, and the ones that are beginning to lose power as medium, and when the shots are still strong, we categorize it as strong. I will show you the results later on in a spreadsheet at the bottom of the review.